Okay, so this week, Dr. Paul discusses how content equals thinking. And this entire discussion was on thinking about thinking. And I actually had to watch this video twice because it was a little confusing to me. So my aha moment came during the second time that I watched it when he said that questions are the driving force behind thinking. And I am the queen of questions. I ask questions about everything. Before I write any type of research paper or start a project, I have a list of questions. As I'm typing along, I think of a new question, I write it down before I lose my train of thought, and then come back to it as needed. And surprisingly, Dr. Paul said this was actually a good thing. He said we should not ask, do you have any questions, but what are your questions? And that made me feel better about how I am as a writer and a critical thinker because I find great value in questions. And as you can tell from this course, and if you look at the Ask the Professor section, I ask quite a bit of questions. And I write down everything. I print off everything and I ask questions on the material I print off. So I have this big mess of papers in this course filled with nothing but questions. And surprisingly, uh, throughout this course, the classmates and Dr. Cooper do a wonderful job of answering those questions without me actually having to ask. And then I could cross that off and write down my answer and move on. So that was my big aha moment for this week. And it makes me happy that asking questions in the concept of thinking is really a good thing.